So, welcome to my day number 6 when I'm trying to get fluent in English, to reach fluency. Yes, this is my really big attempt, big challenge, daily challenge to speak in the camera every single day, to dedicate as much time as possible to acquiring the language. I mean, vocabulary, listening podcasts, watching movie series, writing, try to read, and that's all things. Today is a really low-key day, just no classes at university, staying all day at home, watching series, several hours, like maybe 5 hours in a row, just watching movie series, YouTube. That's kind of improving listening. Yeah, I think that's not bad. And now it's evening, time to a bit speak. I decided to specify a topic what I really struggle with when I talking about this. It's about food. Yeah, talking about food, about cooking, cuisines. That's not my strong point in English. Name of topic really intrigue. Like scientists cook perfect boiled egg. And so you can. Now, I understand that some researchers, some scientists from Italy, they conducted experiments. Like they took 1,000 of eggs and just were trying to find the optimal way of cooking eggs to achieve different types of eggs to get the best hard-boiled egg, soft-boiled, what else? Sauce, wide, and periodic egg. Periodic and yolk. What is not yolk? What is this yellow thing inside of egg? Yolk. To yolk and white part were completely liquids. And I will answer the questions about food cuisines topic. Right now with great pleasure. Let's do it. Question number 1: how often do you have eggs? What do you like to have them with? I can confidently state that I have eggs every single day. Almost, probably 95% of my days I eat eggs, especially in the morning. I enjoy cooking eggs for breakfast. I prefer to cook sunny side up, sometimes with sausage. Sprinkle this polish, it's correct, polish paper on my sunny side up. However, instead of sausage and the paper, I really like to use to eat sunny side up with the croissants and to drink milk during my breakfast. I know that eggs and milk contains a lot of protein. Eating protein in the morning, this is really one of the best way to start today. This is the best option to making breakfast. Sugar contains a lot of glucose, and this glucose, when it's going into your organism, into your body in the morning, this is the first food what you eat after waking up. And your glucose level immediately going up, it's increased, so you're happy, you really feel full, you're not hungry anymore. But after 1 or 2 hours, your glucose level, what was increased, it will drop again into almost zero level, and you will feel hungry again. You again wanna eat something sweet, you wanna sugar, you got this glucose spike again. After 2 hours, oh my god, drop. Right now, you wanna eat sugar one more time. You eat sugar, and this is during all your day. You eat sugar, and you getting fat, you getting not beautiful. Yeah, and you destroy your health in your body, eating sugar, especially in the morning. I didn't just make up this information, it's really official researching. Yeah, I saw it on YouTube, in a podcast on YouTube about sugar, about sugar effect, influence in our body. Would you like to try the new method for boiling eggs? No, I don't want to try a new method because I don't have enough time to creating these experiments. And no, I'm not really a good chef at all, so I don't cook much. No, that's not about me cooking, not my passion. Where do you go to meals when you don't have much time to cook? When I don't have time to cook, if I don't have time at all, I don't eat. This is the logic. Buy something, maybe shawarma. You know what shawarma means? Street food. One of the most popular street food in Russia, yeah. What is the most complex dish you've ever tried to make? Let me recall. This is difficult. Cake, not. I've never made cake. Pizza, never made pizza. Soup, never made soup. I'm not able to cook any difficult dishes. Rice, cutlet, it's doable, yeah. But it's simple, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know any complex dish what I've ever tried to make. Write the comment, leave the comment, what was your complex dish you've ever made in your life. Yeah, that's it. That was my attempt to speak about cuisines, eggs, like method of cookings. It was normal. It was pretty normal. I got a lot of new words, vocabulary to learn and to enlarge my vocabulary and own minds. Yes, sir. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you.